In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track leads in Airtable. We'll build a simple, reliable system you can maintain in minutes a day. Airtable works like a spreadsheet with database power, so it's perfect for organizing contacts and follow-ups without getting overwhelmed. Start by logging into Airtable and creating a new base. Choose Add a base and start from scratch. Give it a clear name like sales leads so it's easy to find later, and pick a color and icon if you want to visually distinguish it. Think of a base as the home for everything related to your leads. Airtable starts you off with a default table. Rename it to leads so the purpose is obvious. Now set up the columns. Create lead name and company as single line text so you can type freely. Add email using the email field type and phone as a phone field to keep formatting consistent. For lead source, use a single select with options like website, referral, and social media. For status, use a single select with stages such as new, contacted, qualified, and closed. Add next follow-up as a date field to schedule your touch points, and notes as a long text field for conversation history. Keeping status and lead source as single selects prevents typos and makes reporting accurate. Let's customize your views. The grid view is your all-in-one worksheet, great for quick edits. Add a Kanban view grouped by status so you can drag leads from new to contacted, then to qualified, and eventually closed. Create a calendar view tied to next follow-up so you can see exactly what's coming up and avoid missed opportunities. Quick note: I've placed a link to Airtable at the top of the description so you can sign up on the website, and you'll also find the download link if you prefer using the app on desktop or mobile. Now add your leads. Click plus add record and fill out each column. Set the status to new to start. As you work your leads, update status right away. Use next follow-up to schedule your next step, and write concise notes after each interaction so you always know what was promised and when. When you're ready to analyze, group your grid by lead source to see which channels bring in the most opportunities. Use filters to focus on just new or qualified leads, so your day is always prioritized. If you want visuals, add charts to view your pipeline and track conversion rates at a glance. That's it. You now have a clean system for capturing leads, moving them through stages, and reviewing performance. If this helped, give it a try using the link in the description, and keep refining your fields as your process evolves. Thanks for watching.